We learn best when we experience things at first hand. Originally, I was brought in to set up a makerspace. And when that had been established, I proposed the design studios that you see today. We currently have 4 dedicated studios that specialize in product design, 3D printing, digital design, and robotics. Each environment can be reconfigured or modified for different activities and learning situations. In the makerspace, students get to bring their ideas to life through experiential learning. They follow a design cycle and they create and test prototypes until they come up with a product that meets their expectations. Designing these wonderful learning environments is something that I truly enjoy. And seeing the enthusiasm that the students show when working here is incredibly rewarding.